today's job, since we're not going to the concert, I'm gonna hang a mirror, got my TV, and I got my power washer, extra flotation devices, and we're gonna clean her up and just hang out. I might take her out, but the main plan is just to wash her, even though it's not that dirty. Yeah, actually, she kind of don't need a wash. But I bought all that stuff anyway, so I'm gonna wash her regardless. So I'm swapping these out, these old dirty white latches for these. Slightly different, but close enough. Hopefully it'll work. Which do you think is better? My vote is this one.
I would eat them.
I eat them. Shoot.
No, that's not a snake. That's a, see this,
Look at that.
see this on them?
That's gold.
That's not a snakehead. But that's a catfish. That's a catfish.
I got. I'm writing down my bag weight.
It's jumping.
Oh, you gotta do that for the.
Yeah, I can't hear the. Oh, thank you.
It's just my car.
I think
30.
Yeah, she got some business. Now the other side down there, around there, all the way over there with a about a river.
Have a great day.
All right now.
This motherfucker kept talking, nigga.
I know.
Nobody cared what you had to say.
Uh-huh.
Take your ass on. And you talking about you clapping shit.
Oh, let me stop singing. I said, let me stop singing. Yep. Yeah, that's when the drug dealers blew up his Corvette. They had the rocket launchers.
It was a Corvette made
Yeah.
to look like a Ferrari.
Oh, yeah, there's a black Ferrari. Yep.
What is my reason? Is they players? They only love you when they playing?
Yep. Players only love you. That joint look nasty.
That motherfucker.
I don't have enough
To
players.
give him away.
Doggy. Come on, nigga. Go home, nigga. Go home, nigga. Tomorrow. How many people y'all bring in tomorrow?
If I find me a baddie tonight, it's gonna be 1, 6, 4. I probably won't get no baddie tonight.
Just the mirror hung. To the back room. Back room, that is. Not bathroom. It's the bathroom. So I hung, like I said, what was it like? No, early this year. Medicine cabinet. And I hung this mirror. I was debating if I wanted to put the mirror on this one or that, but this door is actually shorter. So I put it on this one. So you get that full body scan. In your swimsuit. Still here. It's almost 1 a.m. I'm about to get up out of here. Just so I'll be right back in 12 hours. A little less than 12 hours. Right back at it. Choose which swimsuit to wear. The outfit. With matching shoes. Shoes. I just got these.